We have one very important function, or we can say the important term, which is known as the paste spatial. When I select here and right click, you can see there is an option which is disappear, which is known as the paste spatial. What is the use of this? We will see in this video. For example, I have these values in different cells as a combination and table values. They at the 4 places. What I want is I want to add 100 in this, want to subtract 100 from this, want to multiply 100 to this, want to divide 100 by this. Okay, so how we can do this without manual approach but using the Excel's paste spatial format? So what we can do is firstly select this value, or you can do just write whatever the value you want to add, subtract, delete or divide or multiply from this particular data. So I have written 100 here. I just click here and right click and copy. This value is copied. Now what we need to do, click here and drag to select this particular range. Or what you can do, you can also give it a range name, which we have already know how we can give it to a range name. For example, I give a name to R1 and click enter. Right click and copy and select this particular range. After selecting, right click and click on paste spatial. When you click, you can see we have many options here. We don't need to touch any of them. We need to just click here operation. For example, I just want to add 100 in this particular range. I would select this option which is add and click OK. When I say click OK, you can see 100 is added to every value in this particular range. Similar way, right click, paste spatial. This time I want to subtract from the range. You can see 100 is subtracted. Similar way, in this range I want to multiply, so I click on multiply and click OK. 100 is multiplied with this particular data. Here we will divide all these values by 100, so right click, again copy, select this range, right click and paste spatial and click divide and click OK. So this is how we can use the paste spatial for our easy operations, for which are based on numerical and some calculations. If you like this video and the video content, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get all the updates, all the future videos and the courses available on this channel. Thank you.